the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Your friends chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation? You're all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me. Where's the kind of love that I used to know? You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better.
Hey y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Julia Hair. Shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So I did decide to get a 613 bob, and I told the company that I was going to tone the wig, and toning for me is ash blonde, okay? So sometimes when I just use the purple shampoo, it doesn't come out the color that I want, which is like a really, really silvery, ashy sort of look. So instead, I always opt to just color a unit my color, okay? That is always safer for me. So we'll get into that a little more in a little bit. But let me go ahead and give you guys the details and specs and stuff about the unit in general. So the unit that I am rocking is the Julia 613 blonde color short bob 4x4 lace closure human hair wig, pre-plucked with baby hair. And I do want to say that I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. I did not bleach the knots whatsoever. How you guys are seeing this unit on me, I didn't tweeze this unit whatsoever. I did not bleach the knots whatsoever. How you guys are seeing this unit on me right now is how old girl came, okay? I did not do any other things, child. Nobody's in that bathroom but is making noises. So let me look for some more details. I did ask the company to send me this unit in 12 inches. It does come to 10 to 14 inches. I didn't realize that it came in 10. They gave me an option of 12 or 14. And I didn't look. If I had looked, I would have asked for 10 because you guys know I have a very, very short neck. So when I'm dealing with bobs, especially if I'm going to wear them straight, I like to have them 8 to 10 inches because I do have a very short neck. So yeah, I didn't realize that it also came in 10 inches. So it says tight Brazilian hair wig. It's a lace closure and it's a 4x4 as stated. The color is 613, it's 100% human hair, Swiss lace and brown, medium brown color, and it's 150% density. Yeah, and that's basically it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this unit does come with a total of 3 cones, 2 cones in the front, 1 cone in the back with adjustable straps. And as I stated, it is a 4x4 closure, meaning I just have this area right here. And you have to be very, very careful with these type of units because the what's the name is blonde. Okay, so I want to throw that out there. The weft is a light color, and they will really stick out if you don't style it a certain way. So I kind of want to throw that out there so you guys are aware of that. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, I did not experience any shedding with this wig prior to dyeing it, but after I dyed it, I was getting some shedding. So I want to throw that out there so you guys would know it. It is 613, and that's pretty common. And it wasn't excessive, so it wasn't a big deal for me, but I do like to let you guys know. As far as tangling, there were none. This unit is a straight wig. I just decided to add some curls because of the length of the wig, and I'm not the best at cutting. So I was like, it's better for me if I go ahead and curl the wig. So although it comes straight, you can curl it, and it is holding a nice curl in my opinion, especially with the way that I was curling it, girl, because your girl was struggling with the curls with this wig. As far as the hairline, not the hairline, but as far as the knots and all that, whenever I get a unit this color, it always looks like this. Like, so if you get a 613 wig, usually you will not have to bleach the knots unless you accidentally color the hair, the lace, while you're coloring the hair. That can happen, but usually you don't have to bleach the knots whatsoever, and that is always a plus for me when it comes to these sort of units. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the details and specs with this wig. If you are interested in my pros and cons, and as well as what I recommend this unit in a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the cons with this wig, my main and probably my only con with this wig is the fact that the wefts are super blonde and very, very noticeable. That is like my only con with this wig. It's just really noticeable, and like I stated, you have to make sure that you style the hair a certain way so that nobody can see your wefts showing, girl, because that ain't cute. That is not cute out here in these streets. So that would be my one and only con with this wig. My pros is the fact that it colored really nicely. The lace blends effortlessly, like effortlessly, girl. It just blends in, okay? Even though it says it's brown lace, it really, really does blend in, as you guys can see. And I didn't use any glue. I just simply used my Even Wonder Lace Bond Spray. Also, I love the fact that even though it's a straight wig, the old girl holds a curl. Like, you can't beat that with a stick as well. And I just love the overall vibe of this unit, okay? And I love the versatility of any 613 unit, being it offers that versatility and is way easier to color. So yeah, those are my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit, especially if you're planning on toning it or dyeing it or doing another color. I would definitely recommend it. I love the fact that it was really easy to put on. It doesn't take a whole lot. It's a 4x4 closure, and even though I said that this little part is an issue, it's only an issue if you're trying to wear certain styles with it. So yes, I would recommend this unit for sure, for all the reasons that I listed that were my pros with this wig. As far as the colors that I use, and you guys may not have seen a whole lot of details about that, it's because I've colored hair this color a million times, and I maybe list those down below in the description box so you can check out those and maybe a little more detail of how I color wigs, but I really don't do anything special. And I get those Revlon Color Silk things from Walmart, but you can also get them from Amazon. And if I forget to list them down below, remind me. But I did use a medium ash blonde for this one, but sometimes I mix up medium ash blonde and dark ash blonde. So yeah, I would recommend the wig. All right, honey, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is on the left side.
Skirt, skirt. Whoa, what in the world is that? Okay, so this is why 360s are definitely unnecessary, girl, because, honey, I don't know. I didn't even know that was showing. So keep that in mind. I just found out and you guys saw it. So wealth was definitely showing in the back. This unit is 150% density, and I could have covered it with hair, but I am glad we saw that, girl. Okay, I'm glad we saw that. So yeah, carry on.
This is in the back. And this is it on the right side. So let me know down below what you guys think about it. Do you wear your units in their natural, your 613 wigs in their natural state? Do you just tone them with purple shampoo? Do you like the ash blonde color? Let me know down below. I am interested. Once again, shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. And also, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you lovebugs next time. Bye.